New Turbo. And it's as expected, right? They're using the Garrett part number, but it's clearly, this is not a Garrett. And, but it has like the holes, everything's just a copy, right? So we'll see how it works. It's the first time I think I've had a turbo come with gloves. Yeah. Put those on so my hands don't get dirty, right? The whole car is filthy. Yeah, so seals for the exhaust, oil drain, and I'm guessing that's a spare because they already have. Maybe I just have a kit and not think about it because that piece is already in place. Make sure it's the right one because I took the original apart. And I gotta make block off plates. So there's the old one. That guy. Where is it? Might still be on there. It's still attached. I thought I took it off. No. Oh yeah, there's like pieces of bearing falling out. Yeah, I put it somewhere. Make sure they're the same. I remember staring through it. Here's a new feed line. It doesn't look like it's bent quite the same, but sometimes they bend these goofy. So it's just so much. Yeah, so that seats the way it should. It feels like the threads are right. I can actually get it squared up. Once I get the angle right, put it on the way it's supposed to. Don't have to worry about it. Yeah, it looks like these. It has to fit in the box, right? That's not the box it came with. This is off eBay, so it's the right part number. It's got the right thing on both ends. There we go. I had to transfer the studs over to this turbo from the old turbo, so it took a little longer than expected. I like copper spray. I don't know what other people think about it, but it's pretty good stuff. My book. Is this clocked all stupid? Sure hope not. I guess we'll find out, and if it is, I'll have to pull things back out, but should be able to just slippy slap. These have a smaller hole in one part. This stuff on the same way it came out. Yeah, oil line. It's fine. So I sprayed down that and it's definitely draining fine. And we have a new intake, which I should spray out, make sure there's no crap in it. But yeah. It's good. Knock the camera over, as is tradition. Oh, there we go. My thought was, once it's actually slid up, everything was kind of, I hope it will come together. But, oh, you suck. As far as making sure that that gasket lines up with the other two studs in the back. Oh, got them. Hell yeah. Alright, so it's like most of the way in. And I want to get. Oh, this does not feel good in my fingers. Dang it, where did I put that nut? Okay, now one more wrench. I guess that was easier because I already had the actuator out of the way. Fuck me. It needs to rotate like a lot, like this way, to get that back to come up. Oh, magic noise. I love it. Can I get to... They're all in such a horrible spot. I forgot. There's stuff that, like, I used to love working on cars. Now it's like, sometimes I do, but 99% of the time I don't. It's times like this. It's like big fat fingers don't fit in there. The bolt itself barely fits in there. I think it just got started though. And it's like maybe it is worth like $600 a month or whatever it is for a new car nowadays. I just don't know. Okay, bolted up. The one that's under here. Oh my gosh. One like single finger put it on. And then this looks right. But the old one, like I could bend around. I may have to bend this one a little bit, but I don't know how I'm going to snake it through. I'm leaving the bolt on. I might need to pull that off and just put electrical tape over it so gunk doesn't fall in the feed line. But it'd be nice. Just slippy slide this through somehow. But I don't know. it's never like gonna just work easy, right? Because I can't see from either side. So I'm gonna fiddle with it a little bit and see if it goes through, but I can sneak it around. It's not gonna go this finish tonight, I don't think. Yeah, really, if I can wiggle it until it's like, why can't you rotate? I wonder if I'm not supposed to be under all that stuff. Oh yeah, it's coming way up. I'm not supposed to be under that crap. Dang it. Can't see anything. Okay, now that that's done, rage throwing my camera. I don't even know if that footage is going to survive because it shut off and said it was trying to fix some stuff, but got some liquid encouragement. So yeah, so I hate my life. I hate this car. I don't know where the seal went. It didn't make it all the way out the bottom, so I'm copper ringless now, which is awesome. Fucking assholes. I can't. Good thing I have spares. Oh, I see it. I see the right, I see it. Hold on. Come on, stupid copper that magnets don't work on. Yeah, look at that. Dirt McGirt. I'll wipe that off. Stop. The fingers don't fit. Like, I don't fit in here. I don't fit. Got it. It's been almost an hour. I just have one bolt. And I started saying some things that would make a sailor blush, so decided not to film it. But two-part solution. One, I pulled it back out. I noticed that no matter how much I wiggled over here, I couldn't really get it in the same plane, right? So it's kind of relying on the bolt to like pull it to where it's supposed to be, and that's just not the right way. So I put it in the vise, gave it just a little tweak so that until I could make it sit flat, and then got my other extension that swivels at the head, and that made it so once I had like 2 threads started, I was like, all right, I can turn it with this, and I know it isn't cross-threaded because I could do it by hand. So it's almost all the way tight. Before I do, I want to bend this back to where it's supposed to, well, kind of where it's supposed to be, right? So it's used to have a clip that goes there, and that would, is this even gonna reach? Here, you pull on it. So yeah, that's, gotta come down to this. And I know this one starts because I started it outside, but yeah, maybe bending on this wasn't the greatest idea, but whatever. This will be the same thing, like you make sure it's like straight, because I know I was able to put it on by hand, but if it's not like perfect, I need to put oil in there. Holy crap, one second. Okay, bent that one around a bunch until I could get it hand thread, and then yeah, they bring you this. I don't know if it's any different than just motor oil, to be honest. Like maybe it's thicker, but this stuff, this is so you don't start it dry. Okay, fresh day, fresh start. I forgot to make plates at work because it would have been easier, but that's fine. You think about a little checklist here. So I definitely need to change the oil. Might as well start draining it now. That way we can see if there's like giant chunks of metal in it. Maybe the turbo failed because of a bigger, like something spun, right? I do want to reconnect the AC if the oil looks fine. What else? Oh, I need to attach the other bolt on the other side for the oil drain on the turbo, and I figured that would be easier to do from underneath as well. Same with getting some clips back on some pipes and checking the intercooler on the other side. There's just quite a few things we can do underneath. while it's light out and a little warmer. And I totally forgot about daylight savings time, so we might actually get to finish this tonight. And then we can be back to normalcy, which is a transmission in limp mode, and it beeps at us randomly. Okay, I feel bad. Probably drove the car too long with the turbo. This is all the oil that drained out of it. So there's like about half a quart. I can't believe it's still making pressure. Because this one doesn't have a level sensor on the bottom of the pan, so that light that came on in the driveway the first time I saw it was low pressure. Yeah, this burned a lot. I mean, I did drive it quite a while before it started really smoking bad. So next step. I don't have to move the intercooler because this pipe's kind of like the bottom. So if I disconnect this, I should be able to drain out any oil that's trapped in there, if any. Maybe I burned it all up. I can't see what I'm doing. I've just gotten so used to not looking at the things I'm working on. I can't see that at all. Oh, there we go. There's nothing like a good coat of oil in your intercooler to make sure everything's good to go. Okay, so that's great. So we'll let that drip for a while. Okay, maybe because I've had the van and the Q7 and these bigger engines, 3.8 quarts, which is 3.6 liters. So basically 3.5 of these. It seems so small for a diesel. Like, what's my AOH take? I don't even remember. It's been so long since I've even worked on it, let alone run it. But yeah, I just got the oil filter changed. Everything else is buttoned up. And if you watch the video taking it apart, you just put it back together in reverse order, kind of, sort of. So we'll put these in, fire it up, and see what she does. Right, so like, I know it's going to start because we moved it up here, right? It's like, how soon can I get it out of limp mode to see how well it's boosting? Well, no, because it moves like crap with no boost, even in limp mode. Got like 30 seconds. I didn't bother priming the turbo other than the syringe. So we'll just kind of hang out. Yeah, coolant. Sick. Right back to where we started. In limp mode, coolant light. Where's the brake light? Oh, I probably plugged the ABS fuse back in, so the brake light's only gonna clunk. Come on when I turn left hard enough. Alright. Oh, I still got shocked. Okay, I need to remove that. Those wood blocks. I'll pass on. 1 minute. Alright, back at it. Let's, number one. It's kind of smoky. Things on any coolant. Check engine lights on. I wonder, so if it has that code, is it going to keep? I wonder if I have to clear that for it to get the turbo to kick on. Yeah, like it's not boosting at all. It might be in like actual engine limp mode. Or maybe it is. I just don't know. Smoking. Let's go left. That's so much smoke. It stinks. This is fucking, yeah, let's do it. Oh, yeah, it's not boosting at all. I'm going to have to clear that code, I think, to be able to get boost back. So, we'll flip it around. A little fire department. It's funny with the road closed, they have to go down the dirt road too. And the fire truck's gigantic and that road's skinny. Look at all this smoke. I feel so bad, my poor neighbors. Yeah, so this is in, not only is the transmission in limp mode, but the car itself is in limp mode. So it's like the double whammy of hate. Alright. Let's see what happens. Okay, cleared out this time. Check light right back on, like instantly. Let's see if something's unhooked by accident. Glow plug. No code. It's right there. It says there's a code. Dum-dums. Okay, well maybe it's for something I don't know about. Try talking to the module, like reinitializing it. I don't know. But like it's clearly a check light. Why wouldn't it have a code? I guess I'm only scanning the engine part. I'm not scanning the whole car, so there could be something else going on that makes that light pop. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. Oh yeah. Alright. Don't run into your car you care about. Backy, uppy. What's that other crap there? Oh, we got boost now. I can tell just in reverse. Hell yeah. Wish I was not in lip. That would be awesome if I didn't have lip mode. Yeah, that's boosty. You can tell. Like, it actually has a little bit of oomph, even though it's stuck in 4th gear. Let's see. Smoke people out in this direction. Yeah, like park throttle. Last time we couldn't even get over 35. Oh yeah, new turbo, baby. Take this bitch to work, this shaky skank. I'm gonna do it. I really wish I could get over that. Well, it's like temperature based. It's always temperature based. So I'm the only person that goes this direction and turns back around. I wonder if this is like the How to Find John's House 101. Any of my adoring fans want to come have a beer. I'm going to do the obligatory neutral restart. I wonder how dark it gets. My headlights suck already anyway, so oh, that's super dark. Still went. There's so much smoke. Get that smoke out of here. It'll clear out on the highway tomorrow, losers. I'm gonna get arrested. EPA is gonna come get me. And this whole time I was worried about the ATF. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it won't take long to burn that oil out, but we're back. Alright, limp mode, coolant beeps at me. I didn't get a brake beep, but that'll show up, I hope. I miss it. Look at that, quarter tank. Perfect. How exciting.